Climate change is the defining issue of our time, and we are at the defining moment. From shifting weather patterns to threaten food production, to rising sea levels that increase the risk of catastrophic flooding, the impacts of climate change are global in scope and unprecedented in scale. Without drastic action today, adapting to these impacts in the future will be more difficult and costly. Earth's climate is now changing faster than at any point in the history of modern civilization, primarily as a result of human activities. Global climate change has already resulted in a wide range of impacts across every region of the country and many sectors of the economy that are expected to grow in the coming decades. The fourth National Climate Assessment, developed by the U.S. Global Change Research Program, is a state-of-the-science synthesis of climate knowledge, impacts, and trends across U.S. regions and sectors to inform decision-making and resilience-building activities across the country. It is the most comprehensive and authoritative assessment to date on the state of knowledge of current and future impacts of climate change on society in the United States. Thousands of studies conducted by researchers around the world have documented increases in temperature at Earth's surface, as well as in the atmosphere and oceans. Many other aspects of global climate are changing as well. Human activities, especially emissions of heat-trapping greenhouse gases from fossil fuel combustion, deforestation, and land use change are the primary driver of the climate changes observed in the industrial era. Impacts related to climate change are evident across regions and in many sectors important to society, such as human health, agriculture, and food security, water supply, transportation, energy, ecosystem, and others, and are expected to become increasingly disruptive in coming decades. The impacts of global climate change in the United States are already being felt and are projected to intensify in the future, especially without further action to reduce climate-related risks. As the impacts of climate change grow, Americans face decisions about how to respond. Our Earth from this. To this.
Climate change in the world can be caused by various activities. When climate change occurs, temperatures can increase dramatically. When temperature rises, many different changes can occur on Earth. For example, it can result in more floods, droughts, or intense rain, as well as more frequent and severe heat waves. Oceans and glaciers have also experienced some changes. Oceans are warming and becoming more acidic. Glaciers are melting and sea levels are rising.